I have used the MAC Painterly pot to prep my eyelid. Now today we will start, today I'm going to use Anastasia Riviera palette. So in this palette, first shade we will use is Ken, this one. Like I start this tutorial, I did not get a chance to practice that what I'll do. So we'll go with the flow. I'll try and use maximum shades I can, so I can tell you how it is, because in my last video, makeup and beauty haul, when I show you this palette, I told you that we'll make one look and then I'll tell you how it is. So far so good. It's a very nice pigment. There is no kickback when I'm dipping my brush in the pan here. It isn't, there is no kickback. I can't see any powdery, chalky effect. So I'm happy. Let's see how other colors are. But this one is not bad. It's okay. So let's see. So guys, what you all are doing in lockdown? How is everything going? Here in UK, lockdown is a bit easing off, but then schools are still closed. Few children, like key workers children, they are in the school. Rest of them are in the house, home study. So we are getting online lessons from the school every day, and then we have to finish their homework, we have to send it back. Just don't have time to do anything else. Whole day is like busy but not doing anything. Like busy with kids but cannot do my work basically. So nowadays I'm not getting chance to practice. I'm not getting chance to create a new look and come with a new look in the tutorial. Let's see. Soon I think everything will be back on track. Current situation is that everybody is in the house, especially kids are in the house. That is the main thing. Now the second shade, the first shade which I have applied, I'm going to blend that shade with this Monte Carlo. The shade name is Monte Carlo. So I'll blend edges of this shade, the first shade, Can, with the second shade called Monte Carlo. It's a beautiful pink it is. So I'll put ever so slightly, and I'll not take more color, and I'll blend with the same color what I have here on the brush. Do the same on the other side. I'll blend the edges. Now I would like to add little bit Bahamas in the crease. So what I'll do, in between the Can and Monte Carlo, I'll add Bahamas. See? Now I'll cut my crease, but I'm thinking, shall I do full cut crease or half? Okay, let's see. I think a half cut crease will do. क्योंकि मुझे I think the half cut crease will do because the shades I want to pack up, that will I'll do only like 1/3. So inner corner and middle of the eyelid. The outer corner will keep it dark. So a half cut crease is fine in this case. Okay guys, another thing, I want to do Q&A. I mean, I'm collecting questions. So I'll collect and I'll do Q&A once I'll have at least 15 to 20 questions. So I was just waiting to reach 1,000 subscribers, and then I thought if I have, once I reach 1,000, then I'll do Q&A. So I have crossed that bar now. So I think I'm ready to do Q&A. You can send me an email on kinnaryjoshi@gmail.com. I have mentioned my email in my description box, or you can join me on my Facebook. So let me know if you want to know anything about me. If you have any questions, I'll answer in a Q&A. But I'll do Q&A only once I'll have at least 15 to 20 questions. So I'll wait till then. Let's see. Then I'll update you that when I'm ready to do Q&A, or when I have at least that many questions to answer, rather than doing Q&A for 3-4 questions and then again wait for new questions, or again when better to do it when just at least once a month or once 2-3 months is fine, because I cannot do Q&A every time, you know what I mean. It's like, but I'll do it once, at least once in a 2-3 months. This shade on the middle of my eyelid is Seychelles. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it correctly. Can you see, guys, the pigment and the shine it has? Oh, it's amazing. See, it's a beautiful shade it is. You go. Yes, it is blended properly and it is looking so nice. Actually, when we do any look, if we are wearing matching costumes or jewelries, or then it gives completely different effect. Completely different. But you can imagine, if you want to do pink and purple look, if you are wearing some clothes which is pink and purple, especially Indian wedding clothes with jewelry and all. This will look amazing. This Bahamas is a neon pinkish shade. Let's see how it looks. I don't know, guys. I'm just going with the flow. But it is looking nice. There we go. Let's finish it quickly. When we do eyeliner and eyelash, then look will get complete and it will look super. Gel eyeliner. So I list all the products which I am using in my video, like in this tutorial. So I'm done with my liner and lashes. Now quickly we'll finish the face. So color, I'm using Maybelline Fit Me foundation, shade 220. So I'll use concealer Born This Way, and I'm using shade light beige. Now I'll set very lightly with the lauramercier translucent powder. I don't need much, just a little bit. Bronzer. This is my favorite lipstick. It's Urban Decay 1993. I always say 1995. I don't know why. It's 1993. Many times I have mentioned this lipstick as a 1995, and then I have to correct it all the time. So I applied Urban Decay 1993. Lipstick shade is really nice, but it wasn't matching with the eyeshadow. So then I applied Aria from Stila, and now I think it goes with eyeshadow. So there you go. Even if you like the shades, sometimes it won't look good if it isn't matching with the your all over look. Now I am using Tarte blusher palette and I am using shade Lavish. Here I'll use Fenty Beauty Hustla Baby, and I hope you will like this look. Do let me know. Here. The eyeshadow quality Riviera palette is 10 out of 10. It's beautiful, amazing, no kickback. Colors are very true to the pan color when you apply on the eyes. It applied beautifully. I do not have to use any other thing like extra. I did not have to wet my brush. If I wet my brush with the setting spray, it will give a more vibrancy. I did not have to do anything. I just applied as it is. These are all dry. The middle shade, which is little bit glittery, fine, shiny. If I use that with a wet brush, it will give sparkling shine. But there you go. I just wanted to show you. So yeah, do let me know in comment below if you want me to create any other look with the same eyeshadow palette. Do let me know. And also don't forget that I am collecting questions for Q&A. Just drop the question in my email ID or join me on my Facebook group and I'll answer your questions. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, all of you, take care. Bye guys. Don't forget to check out my previous video, which is Beauty and Makeup Haul Part 1. And after this, I'm going to record Part 2, which will come in a day or two. So till then, all of you, take care. Bye guys.